A big hello to all of you from the city, Haryana. Today we are here to check out the Ganga Group of Institution, which is a combination of three institutes, that is Ganga Institute of Technology and Management, Ganga Technical Campus and Ganga Institute of Architecture and Town Planning. Ganga Institute of Technology and Management, also known as GITAM, was established by the Pawan Ganga Educational Society in the year 2008. It is located in the Kablana village, Haryana. GITAM aims to be an outstanding institution in India through academic excellence and placements in the field of management and technology to fulfill the needs of industry and serve the society. It was awarded the Best College 2015 of the Region Award recently.
We are best in the university in terms of results. 416 students of GITAM were in the university merit list last year, out of which 16 secured first position in the university. On placement front, 55 companies visited GITAM last year. Our students also got placed in most of the multinational companies and government sectors through off-campus.
GITAM organizes events, national level conferences and festivals for students.
GITAM is a brand in terms of results and placements, and I'm crazy about the mega functions that are being organized in the college which attracted me the most.
GITAM provides a stable and comfortable environment for students. It has a healthy mix of students as they have international students coming in from different countries such as UAE, Nigeria, Afghanistan and Nepal.
In Ganga, here is a lot of students from many foreign countries, and we are living like family in here. And if you want to excel in your professional academics and management, then GITAM is best choice for you.
I saw GITAM online and I decided to join the family. If you're there still looking for where to go, I advise you come to GITAM and you will enjoy it. And if I have the choice, I'll take GITAM to Nigeria.
Ganga Institute of Technology and Management provides a variety of career options. Course on Fire Technology and Safety is one of the unique courses offered at GITAM. It is the study of fire protection and fire safety to prevent accidents caused due to fire.
BTech in Fire Technology and Safety is a unique course which is not available in many colleges in India. It is in huge demand and the students get placed as fire officer, safety officer, station officer and so on.
Ganga Technical Campus, also known as GTC, was established in the year 2012. Their mission is to impart quality technical education at an affordable cost in this challenging and stimulating environment. To fulfill this mission, they also provide number of scholarships to less privileged students and to the minority groups. It is located in the village Soldha, Bahadurgarh.
Ganga Technical Campus is a unit of the Ganga Group of Institution, comprising of the two independent institutions, School of Engineering and Technology, which offers postgraduate and undergraduate programs in engineering and management, and School of Diploma Engineering for diploma engineering courses. The institute is approved by AICTE and affiliated with the Maharshi Dhyanand University and HSBT Panchkula.
GTC has a set of qualified and skilled faculty to create professionals who can serve the industry and the society as well.
We believe that teaching is the art of simplifying knowledge and information without diluting it. In accordance with this ideology, the management of the institute recruited well-qualified and experienced faculty members with strong academic credentials from the various states of India.
To provide a 360-degree view of life to their students and to enhance their mental capability, GTC organizes national level workshops and industrial visits.
We have a variety of events like project exhibition, national conference, singing, dancing and fashion show. Students from other colleges are also actively participating in our events.
GTC has a structured placement process for their students to get maximum benefit.
Ganga Technical Campus has left no stone unturned to get their students placed in well-reputed companies. Our campus has tie-up with more than 85 companies like Tata Motors, Viprotech, Philips and many more, small as well as large.
Ganga Institute of Architecture and Town Planning was established in the year 2011 and provides bachelor and master degree in architecture and town planning. It is located in the village Kablana near Jhajjar district, Haryana. The campus provides in-house hostel accommodation for students as well as for the faculty members. All in all, Ganga Group of Institution is a perfect place to be. It has 3 choices for you, so do pay them a visit.